Sorry, I don't know how to fix my audio. I don't know what's the problem with my audio. Maybe I don't know. But you might ask, why are my videos so disliked? The answer is, well, you can actually find a clue in my 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 mine uh, channel description. There you have it. Like people found my channel and not some piece of shit. For example, Olaf. Yes, I just said his real name. I have been going around and just disliking my videos, just to be assholes, because you know they they are young and dumb. Yay. Yeah, I don't know if it's much more to that than this, but yeah, I know who you are. Now I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna kill you. Just kidding. But yeah, fuck you. As always, have a nice day and rest in peace, Farnborough.